Hi everyone, it's February. It's my favorite month because it's my birthday month, the month of Valentine's Day, and everything is just so cute because it's red and pink everywhere. So I just wanted to do this makeup tutorial for the month of February, matching the vibe, red lips and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just get started. This hair away from my face first. And I've already prepped and primed my face using my favorite Farmacy face moisturizer. And I'm gonna next go with this foundation. It's not a foundation, it's a skin tint by Bobbi Brown. And I want to use this light skin tint today because I don't want to look too cakey. And also I want to be like, ooh, is she wearing makeup or is she naturally gorgeous kind of look? But I'm gonna go over this with some concealer just to hide my dark circles and dark spots and stuff like that. And next I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty concealer. This is my favorite concealer. I'm almost out of this. And I'm gonna just lightly apply it under my eyes and some discoloration and hyperpigmentation. And I'm gonna blend everything with this e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer brush, the light tapping motion. And always try to blend your concealer by tapping motion and not by dragging it, because dragging it will usually create creases and streak marks. Yeah, now that everything looks blended, I'm gonna go next with my favorite powder, which is this Fit Me powder by Maybelline, and I'm gonna take my powder puff, same dirty one, and then I'm gonna dip it in the powder ever so slightly like this. Then I'm gonna tap the excess on the back of my hands like so, and then I'm gonna just lightly tap it under my eyes. And then go back with the excess product that was on the back of my hand, and then like this at the other eye as well. Well, I think I need a little bit more. Just do this. Dab it on the back of your hands and then make your under eyes. So yeah, once that is sitting over there, I'm gonna use the extra powder that I have on my powder puff and apply it all over my face. So yeah, I'm gonna just let that powder sit under my eyes for some time while I do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using this Rare Beauty Brow Harmony eyebrow pencil. And I'm just gonna slightly fill in my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna blend the pencil slightly and brush it up and out. Yeah, now that looks a little better. Next I'm gonna go with my bronzer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Rich Amber. This is a little bit darker for my skin tone, so I just do this, dab it, and then again tap on the back of my hands where I had that extra powder, and then just tap it on my cheekbone area, which is non-existent, but you get the gist. And the next step is my favorite step, which is blush. And this is the Kimchi Chic Heart blush, which is perfect for the February vibe. And it also matches my sweater. Oh, I wanted to show you my sweater. Yeah, I got it from Marshall's the other day and I'm so obsessed. I couldn't wait to wear it. So I'm just gonna put on my blush now. It has like two shades, which is like a neon pink shade and a little bit lighter pink shade, and it is very pigmented, so you have to be very light-handed with this. So I'm just gonna do the same step again. Take the blush, tap it on the back of my hands. Look, it already got a little pinker, and then just slightly tap it on my cheeks. You know, there's one filter that's getting viral on TikTok, which is like to know if you're high face volume.
What?
High visual weight. Oh yeah, if your face is like high visual weight or low visual weight. And I've tried that, and I think that I am a low visual weight girl because the bold glamour filter makes me look like a man. And I also agree that because most of the times whenever I tend to do my makeup to go out, I mostly use like lighter makeup for every day. Stop texting me. But although I love a full face glam, I feel like I look better with lighter makeup. So yeah, I feel like the filter is quite accurate. So yeah, right now I'm just patting that bake away from my under eye area. And for my eyes today, since I told you that I am a low visual weight girl, I'm gonna keep my eyes light because today I'm gonna go with red lipstick, and I don't wanna be wearing red lipstick and a loud eyes. So either your lips has to be bold or either your eyes have to be bold. It's either or, not both. You look like a clown again. So for my eyes, I'm gonna take that same bronzer and then dip it a little bit and then just slightly contour my eyes. I don't want to put on a lot of eyeshadow today, so just contour it a little bit like so. And then next I'm gonna go with this Colourpop eye glitter in the shade Ritz. Oh, you may be like, oh, this girl just said she doesn't want to put a lot of eye makeup and she's going with glitter. But look at this glitter. It's not loud. It's not on your face. Just, oh, this is so gorgeous kind of glitter. Next I'm gonna go slightly, very slightly with a thin eyeliner, because without eyeliner I'm not me. And I'm gonna use this Maybelline eyeliner today. Yeah, I'm gonna just create a baby wing. Yep, I'm just gonna do this on this eye. And also this eyeliner is waterproof, so if your date makes you cry on Valentine's Day, it's perfect for that. I'm just kidding, don't go on a date with the person who makes you cry. I also added a little baby wing on the inner corner of my eyes, and I drew a little bit of a wing on the outer corner of my eyes as well. Wow, so much for a light makeup. Slightly, very slightly. If you trusted me when I said I wanted to do a light makeup, you're a fool. So this is how the eye is looking right now. I know, don't judge it based on how it looks right now. Maybe it will look better once I have my mascara and lashes on, but let's move on to the lashes because I don't like how it looks right now. And next part is my mascara, and this is the best mascara ever. This is the Loreal Telescopic waterproof mascara, and I always use waterproof mascara because no other mascara can hold my curls. Wow, does it look worse? Or does it look better? Wow, I absolutely hate my makeup today. Actually, you know what I look like? I look like that meme, that Arab meme that Kylie Jenner had. There was an Arab music playing on the background. Remember? It's the same eye look. It just looks so weird on me. Okay, anyway, now let's move on to my lips. For lips today, I'm gonna be trying a new technique. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown pencil and then fill in with the red lipstick. Let's see how it looks. Anyway, it doesn't matter because my makeup already looks disgusting. This is the Hourglass lip liner in the shade, what are you? Tell me, what are you? Candid 5. And next part is the lipstick, and guess what lipstick I'm gonna use today? It's the MAC Rubywoo, which is a classic red lip, perfect for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and then slightly dab on my lips. Well, it doesn't look that bad. It looks nice actually. I'm gonna take this lip brush and then just blend it with the brown liner. So yeah, I think this is the end of the makeup. And I feel like this makeup is perfect for Valentine's Day, Lunar New Year, or an everyday basis if you're that girl. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.